With DeepSwap AI tool, you can deepfake anyone. For this you just need source video and your face picture. So deepfake anyone in just 3 clicks. But please remember it is just for educational purpose and don't misuse it. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use this tool and will show you the results. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting AI tools. Thank you. Section 1. Register to DeepSwap. Enter DeepSwap and click on the first link. Link is given in the description of this video. Fill the registration form and verify your email address. When verification is completed, click on the login button. Then click on FaceSwap Now button. Section 2. Deepfake anyone you want. You can deepfake anyone in just 3 clicks. Click 1. Upload original video you want to face swap. Video will be uploaded and it will take few seconds to analyze the video. Click 2. Add face picture. Click on face swap button. This will take few seconds to process. Click 3. Click on save button to save your deepfake video. Now let's try another one. Repeat the same process. Here is video result. Thanks for watching. Please support me by subscribing my channel. You will lose nothing and it will motivate me to do hard work and create interesting video for you. Please let me know if there is anything unclear in comment box.